My name is Stacy Schwartz, and I am the Associate Attorney at the Flammia Elder Law Firm. In our culture, most people believe that only the oldest of old need long-term care or long-term care planning. That is not necessarily the case. In 2015, a report by the Alzheimer's Association found that 1 in 9 Americans aged 65 or older have Alzheimer's disease. That number is expected to triple by 2050. Waiting until a parent is incapacitated to start planning for his or her future can throw a family into turmoil. Without planning, no one can be sure about what mom or dad would have wanted, let alone how to find or pay for their care. Rushed decisions are often the costliest, and even though no one likes to think about it, anyone can become incapacitated at any time due to illness or accident. So if you want to start talking about your parents now, about their preferences for care in the event of their incapacity, where should you start? Before you begin, take some time to plan for the discussion. Put yourself in your parents' shoes. They may be harboring secret fears about what will happen to them if they end up needing long-term care. Your attitude going into the discussion will make a big difference. Sensitivity and empathy are key. Instead of telling your parents what you think they should do, ask them about their fears and preferences, and then listen without judgment. When it's time for the conversation, starting with a story about someone you know or an article you read can be a good way to break the ice. It can be a good lead-in question about their preferences for care. Next, ask your parents how they envision paying for the care they're likely to need. Care can be expensive. The national average for basic assisted living services is now nearly $45,000 per year. If a person has dementia or Alzheimer's disease, the bill is even higher. As you talk about options, keep in mind that health insurance doesn't cover assisted living or nursing home facilities, nor does it pay for help with the activities of daily living for a person who still lives at home. Medicare covers some in-home health care coverage and a limited number of days of skilled nursing home care, but it doesn't cover long-term care. Medicaid, which does cover long-term care, was designed for the poor and needy. If Medicaid benefits will likely be the best way to help pay for nursing home care, it's important to start planning early in order to avoid the need to spend down assets. If one of your parents was a veteran, VA benefits may be available. And if your parents have a large nest egg, they may want to liquidate some of these assets to pay the cost themselves. For most families, however, that won't be the case. During the discussion, don't forget to ask your parents if they have their legal documents in place. Listen to see if they have a living will, a durable power of attorney, a healthcare surrogate designation, a declaration of pre-need guardian, a HIPAA release, and other important advanced planning documents in place. If they don't, encourage them to find an elder law attorney to help them with the creation of these important legal documents. Keep in mind that an elder law attorney can be a valuable source of help during the planning process. Elder law attorneys have extensive experience developing plans to respond to incapacity in the future, and then guiding the application of those plans when the day of incapacity arrives. Elder law attorneys also work with their clients, financial advisors, insurance agents, accountants, and other trusted advisors to put together the best plan for the circumstances. Planning for incapacity with the help of an elder law attorney will save you considerable time, money, and stress. If you're ready to start planning for the future, either for yourself or someone you love, the Flammia Elder Law Firm can help. Just give us a call.